Hello everybody. So this video will be some quick video about how to assemble this 3D printed hidden blade. Okay, to assemble this hidden blade is really easy because only what you need are the 3D printed pieces, the housing, the blade and the release pin. And then you also need some rubber bands, one large rubber band and one a little bit smaller. Then you also need two screw washers, one a little bit bigger, the other a little bit smaller, and some screw. So, in basic, I already put together this housing. The housing comes with two parts. One is the bottom part and another is the top part. And this housing I glued together with some super glue. And in between is this blade. And now I will finish this construction of this hidden blade. And this was some fast assembly of this hidden blade. But of course, instead of using these rubber bands, you can also use the springs if you want. But in my case, I use rubber bands. Also, based on your 3D printer, sometimes you will need to grind a little bit this hole from this release pin. This one, the big one. And that's it. So, all the parts, all the STL files for downloading, the link will be in the description. But instead, if you don't want to buy the STL files for this hidden blade, you can grab some free STL files for this little brother. So the plans, the STL files for this one are free. And this is some smaller version of this hidden blade. But this small hidden blade don't comes with this release pin. So guys, that's it for now, and we see us in the next video. Bye.